Hello to all my friends out there. So I will be eating my scraps up until they're all done. So what I'm making is a quesadilla and french fries. I bought these french fries at Dollar Tree for $1. I bought them, I think it was last month, but anyway, you get a lot. Let's see, how many ounces is this? 32 ounces. So like 2 pounds of french fries. So this is maybe at the most 50 cents, counting the oil I bought at Dollar Tree. And okay, so over here, I stockpile tortillas, and I left this off because I wanted to show you something. So I just want to put the green salsa on at this point. You know, I want to spread it onto my cheese. Okay, so I'm using the last bit of my cheese. So what I had was, I had these pieces of cheese, and then I had a little piece of this cheese. So, you know, I just, you know, I like a lot of cheese on my quesadilla. And like when I'm frying these, if I want to, ooh, this is looking good. If I want a little bit more buttery cooking spray, this stuff is great at $1. The tortillas cost me maybe 10 cents each, and the cheese was pretty cheap too. So, okay, you guys, I will be back in a few minutes with some quesadillas and fries.